Welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today we're doing some Valentine DIYs using Dollar Tree items. So for this first one, I'm using these wooden hearts. You can find these at Dollar Tree, I want to say all of the time. I'm just deciding to use the color Warm Buff. It is by Apple Barrel in acrylic paint, and I just needed to do one coat for each of these. Next, I'm using some spackle and some pink paint from the Dollar Tree. I do not recommend their paint, but it does work well if you want to mix it in with spackle to make a different color. So I'm gonna be making some faux cookies. I love those Loft House cookies. I thought this would be a really fun DIY to do, and I'm just using a popsicle stick to spread the fake frosting on top. And like I said, it's just spackle from the Dollar Tree and some paint. So once I mix that together, spread that on. I think that looks so cool. I'm using these faux sprinkles. These are from Amazon, and I just picked up one pack, and you'll see me use them multiple times. I use them in previous DIYs as well because I don't do a ton of Valentine decor, so I figured that little pack of sprinkles will last me a long time. And then now I'm just doing the same thing for this one as well. I did see a ton of different ideas on Pinterest. I made some of these fake cookies for Christmas, like Christmas in July, I think is actually when I did them. So I thought this would be a fun idea, and then I've kind of seen people already do it, but I was like, you know what, I'm doing it anyways. So Pinterest was kind of my inspiration along with what I already did last July. And I've also seen Shannon from The Daily DIYer do this as well on Instagram. So I will link whatever links I can find to give credit where I've seen these as well. Really quick hack is you can use regular decor for Valentine DIYs. I've seen these hearts quite a while ago in just the regular decor section. They actually always have all kinds of hearts. So if your Dollar Tree doesn't have Valentines, when you feel like doing Valentine decor or crafts, you just look in the regular craft or square section. You'll find a ton. But I just took a wood sign and a heart and just stuck it right to the center of the sign. That is actually all I did. It was simple, easy, and only took like 2 seconds to put together. So I decided to go ahead and make some smaller cookies with the same hearts from that bundle or from the hanging decor, whatever you'd like to call it, because I had some spackle left over. I'm probably not going to use pink probably ever again. I mean, don't quote me on that because you never know. But I just wanted to use up as much as I possibly could, and I had a ton of leftover hearts, so I thought, why not just make a couple more fun faux cookies? And that is what I did. I used that spackle once again and those fake sprinkles, and then I will link the sprinkles for you guys, so if you're still in the mood to do some Valentine DIYs or you haven't started yet, they are so cute. But this is what these ones look like when they're done. So I always see these really cute beaded heart wreaths, and I never buy them because I never know what type of wreath to make them. And then I'm like, you know what? I don't even have to use it as a wreath. I can just cut this apart. So if you see this and you don't know what to do with it, you can make some cute little garlands instead of a wreath. It's possible. They're just hung on by a thick metal piece that you can cut. I used tin snips to cut it. And then I just did a cute little pattern for the beads, used some twine. And I want to say I got the twine at Walmart possibly because you get a huge roll for pretty inexpensive. And then one of these grapevine hearts. They have these at Dollar Tree every single year. Maybe they don't this year, so don't quote me on that, but I've seen them for years on end. And then I just thought I would make some fun tassels with some lace and some yarn. And I think these are adorable, and I think I could have made one more smaller one. So you can make or you can put together quite a few of those. All right, so for these, I thought it'd be fun to make some chocolate suckers. We see these all the time at like bakeries, and I'm like, I'm not spending $6 on a chocolate sucker. So I thought that we already have the little sticks to make cake pops. So I thought we would just go ahead and grab some of these chocolates to make some fun chocolate suckers. I know my kids will love these. These would be like a great idea for gifts for classrooms. The back isn't beautiful, but you can really make the packaging up to however you would like. You can do some to and from tags. I'm just putting it in these little plastic treat bags, and then I am just going to be tying them with the twist ties they come with, and then I'm going to go ahead and add some ribbon just to make it look a little more fun and not so plain. Okay, so I did some fun treats with my daughter around Christmas time, so I thought, why not do some for Valentine's as well? So I grabbed the Oreos from Dollar Tree. The white chips and the chocolate chips are also from Dollar Tree, and the Barbie sprinkles are also from Dollar Tree, which I thought was awesome. I'm just putting some vegetable oil in here, and it seems to just make it a little more creamier. I was having some issues. I don't know if my chocolate chips are too old or not, but I wasn't able to get it like completely melted. And then when I don't know, I was having like the worst issues. I threw so much away because it was just like overcooking, and I was doing all like the 30-second step, mix step, take it out, all the things. But long story short story really long, I ended up just getting it to work as best as possible. This was just going to be for our family anyways, so I thought it would be okay for however we liked. I had Presley help me, and the thing with cooking in the kitchen with kids is that nothing is going to be 100% perfect, and that is totally okay. So this is not like Pinterest worthy by any means, but we had fun putting it together. We made like some pink dip or frosting. No, it's not frosting. It's like definitely chocolate. So we made some pink chocolate just using a little bit of food coloring. And then we topped them with those fun Barbie sprinkles. I thought that those were absolutely perfect for Valentine's Day. So we have some chocolate dipped Oreos along with pretzel rods. We got the Better Made because they are the best. If you guys never had Better Made, you guys might not even have it. I know it's a Michigan thing, but they have the best chips, pretzels, whatever they make is better. Like literally the best. And then here's Presley kind of finishing everything off. And then we're going to make a fun charcuterie board. And what I love about Dollar Tree is that they always have so many fun options that you can put together a charcuterie board or even like a little treat board, a grazing board for pretty inexpensive. So we found these heart marshmallows at Dollar Tree. This little bowl I thought was adorable, was also from Dollar Tree. And when I make my charcuterie boards, I just use a $10 cutting board from Walmart. Those little candies were also from Dollar Tree. Heart marshmallows, also from good old Dollar Tree. And of course, I decided to grab like some Debbie cakes, things like that to go along with this, along with the items that we made that you've seen. So right now, Presley is helping me put together the board, and this was just fun to kind of see where her mind went. She actually helped me make one, or she actually made one for Thanksgiving, and it looked absolutely amazing. She is so good at putting this together. We did have to change it up a little bit in the end because some of our items just were not fitting, but overall, this was fun, and we kind of left this out all day, and probably half this got ate within like 3 days. When my husband sees treats like this, he will eat them until they are gone. So it wasn't even really the kids, it was my husband that was doing it, or that was eating it all. And then we put the marshmallows in this really cute jar, and that was from Target a couple years ago. And then, like I said, we added some Debbie cakes and the items that we made, and this was just kind of fun to do together. Then to finish the board off, we are just adding the fun Debbie cake brownies and the little cakes. And then because we had to make this healthy, we decided to add like 6 cut up strawberries or less. But I think this turned out so cute. You can do it for so little amount of money. Sometimes you look on the internet and you think like that board had to cost $100 to put together, and it actually probably did. But this one was probably under 20 bucks, and I think it was so fun to put together. But you guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed these fun little Valentine hacks and DIYs from Dollar Tree. If you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, I would love if you consider sticking around and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.